up this relationship and end it where you find I stay. Ooh, said like we just bought out, everything's okay. We gon' fuck up this relationship and end it where you find I stay. Just 1 minute, try to quit it. We're just running towards the fire. Got no ticket, hit my limit. We got nothing left to front. It's not relevant to us. No time for shit we need to forget. Cause I've had it up to my limit though. Cause you felt so low, and I cannot suffer the consequences. It's over. Ooh, back up, I'm driving away. We gon' fuck up this relationship and end it where you find I stay. Ooh, said like we just bought out, everything's okay. We gon' fuck up this relationship and end it where you find I stay. Just 1 minute, try to quit it. We're just running towards the fire. Got no ticket, hit my limit. We got nothing left to front. It's not relevant to us. Like this, righteous, decide this unknown. Show me in God's speed, got nowhere to go. Ooh, back up, I'm driving away. We gon' fuck up this relationship and end it where you find I stay. Just 1 minute, try to quit it. We're just running towards the fire. Got no ticket.
So we're on our way to the Kingston Butter Factory. Yes, we've run out of things to do because we don't do anything with our lives. We go to work, then we sleep, and then we game. But it closes at 3:30. It is 2:53, and I gotta kind of hurry but not speed, even though I am speeding. But
You probably shouldn't say that.
oh, who cares? Not like everyone doesn't speed. But we're gonna go there, and I have heard things of it being reportedly haunted, and I love all that sort of stuff. So we got here, and the main reason the museum was locked up, and then I opened up a door and there was a bunch of girls in like ballet uniforms, and I was like, oh god.
That's gonna happen.
Yeah, I can't shut the door, and I was like, they're going like, what? I'm like, oh, it's just a bunch of girls in ballet. And I heard like loud music, and I opened the door and there's like a chick in the air, mid ballet. And it was freezing aircon in there. There's people walking. It's a video, okay? Alright. Hey! Nothing's over my neck because I'll far on the way. He's a bit freaked out, but I'm good. Cut hand and bruises.
I just need a finger.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the inside. Both airbags have gone off. That didn't like come flying in, that's just got chucked in by people. Yeah, they've gone off. That's all destroyed down there. The radio still works when the thing's on. Horn's destroyed, that's destroyed, can't take the volume. The window came in, it was like that. Came in, but I fixed it. Yeah, I'm all good to reverse it out now. Unless this stayed on. I'll pull this out anyway. It's just rubbish, I'll just leave it there. I sent things broke. Surprisingly, every single CD in mine survived. Work thing, that's still in here. What else of mine is in here? I think that's about it. I'll grab my little Spider-Man air freshener thing that survived. Now I'm in park. I'm all good now. The back seems fine. Just lucky to be alive, that's all.